Sa isang show of force ng Alyansa para sa Bagong Pilipinas na ginanap kamakailan lamang, formal na iniharap ni President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos ang kanilang official senatorial lineup para sa 2025 national and local elections. Hello Philippines, I'm Butch Sarano. Welcome to the 4th Estate. Spoiler alert lamang po ha, except for one or two names, lahat ng pangalan na makikita ninyong sa lineup ay halos pareho lang sa kamag-anak na nakaupo, dating umupo, at mga uupo. So, without further ado, the alyansa ng Partido Federal ng Bagong Pilipinas senatorial candidates ay ang mga sumusunod. Benher Abalos, Abby Binay, Pia Cayetano, Ping Lacson, Lito Lapid, Amy Marcos, Manny Pacquiao, Bong Revilla, Tito Soto, Francis Tolentino, Erwin Tulfo, at Camille Villar. Ang formal na pagkapakilala ay kasabay ng isang manifesto para sa malawakang alyansa ng mga sumusunod na partido. Ang Partido Federal ng Pilipinas, Lakas Christian Muslim Democrats, Nationalist People's Coalition, Nationalista Party at National Unity Party. Ang convention ay dinaluhan rin ng mga bago at lumang alyansa sa loob ng Partido Federal na sa ngayon ay handa ng sumabak sa tatahakin ng alyansa sa 2025 midterm elections hanggang 2028 presidential elections. As in the past, and still rings true today, most winnable senatoriables line up with the administration. Saan ka pa nga naman with all the influence, political machinery, and budget to run a well-oiled political campaign at your disposal, hindi mo kailangan maghanap pa ng sakit ng ulo kung gusto mong tumakbo. Of course, there are a lot of things that goes into one's running for public office. Nandyan yung prinsipyo, nais magsilbi, may advokasya, may pinaglalaban, at kung ano-ano pa. Pero politika lang ang pinag-uusapan natin ha. And when you run with the administration, you are considered a strong candidate due to a strong party. And in this case, a lot of parties. Let's listen to comebacking Senator Tito Soto.
It's a very good mix of people from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and then from the different sectors. May local governments, may national, mayroong business, it's a very good mix. And I'm glad the NPC group is involved.
Although her surname rings a bell to most Filipinos, the youngest in the ticket promises a fresh take on public service.
Siyempre naman talagang kami naman lahat sama-sama, tulong-tulong. Pero siguro yung bagong boses ko, a fresh take on all our problems, a fresh view. And siyempre talagang i-address natin lahat ng kailangan ng ating mga kababayan.
Most of the Partido Federal Alliance candidates were former and incumbent senators, which proves how difficult it is to enter the country's most exclusive club. But one candidate may be considered an old name in Philippine politics, but yet, to rise in the national arena, Benher Abalos, who at first needs to resign his duty as Secretary of the Department of Interior and Local Government, has this as a case in point.
Nasa batas, siguro on the day of the filing, mag-resign na po ako. Siguro mas paano naman, si Alice Goo, nahuli natin, si Pastor Kibuloy, nahuli natin, si Jody Mejia, yung sex predator, nahuli natin, yung kay Tevez, siya ay nasa Timor-Leste, legal na lang ito, at maibabalik na po yan, o may demanda siya, check na rin yan. Si Bantag ay yun na lang po ang pagkakaalam ko ay medyo maganda ang development kay Bantag.
But in any team, admin or opposition, every character is different from one candidate to another. And in this case, some alliances are more fragile than others. Take for example the candidacies of Makati Mayor Abby Binay and re-electionist Senator Pia Cayetano, who is still reeling from the embo situation of the Makati-Taguig territorial dispute. to which it spoiled over even in the Senate floor. Take a look.
Under the rules, you have 1 day.
No, don't give me that.
Don't finish it then, pare. Pag lugar mo, ilang beses ka nakiusap sa akin eh. Huwag mo ako sigawan. Ilang beses ka rin nakiusap pa. Hanggang doon na. Nag-abroad ka ba eh? Anong gusto mo? Anong gusto mo? Oh, takin na, gusto mo? Oh. Takin na, sindak ka lang sindak dito eh. Bakit? Sisigawan mo ako ng pakialam mo. Wala akong pakialam sa pupoto dun eh.
Sinabi mo yun.
Interest mo lang iniisip ko eh.
Gusto mo ipapa-50 ano mo kami?
Sabi ko sa'yo, sabi ko pare, baka pwede makiusap. This is too important. No.
When the campaign season goes into high gear and both are in the ticket, how would they deal with the issue and their obvious differences? Well, here's Abby Binay's response to Senator Pia Cayetano's teammate question.
No, kasama ko po siya sa alliance. Yes, hindi ko kami magkasama sa party. I agree to join the alliance because of the president. Sino naman ako para magsabi kung sino yung gusto kong makasama at hindi makasama? There is no relationship. Wala akong relationship eh. Dati kung magkaibigan kami, ngayon hindi na. Yun po yung...
And so they're off and running. Next episode, we'll take a look at the opposition's senatorial lineup. Spoiler alert lang din ha, not much pa rin when it comes to diversity of personalities. From the admin to the opposition, we are seeing the same names and family members competing to win the seat in the country's most exclusive club, the high and mighty Philippine Senate. I'm Butch Serrano, and this is the Fourth Estate. See you next week.